Hello and welcome back, my friends. So in this part of the video, we're going to see what factors count towards success of the learning through service model in teaching engineering. So we're going to look at the engineering projects and community service model, acronym EPICS, which is present at Purdue and has received a national honor. In 2005, the National Academy of Engineering recognized EPIC's achievements by the most prestigious prize offered to them called Gordon Prize for Innovation in Engineering and Technology Education. So we're going to look at what factors in this EPICS model have contributed to its success. Okay. So EPICS was created in Purdue in fall 1995 out of the consensus that students to be ready for the future would need professional skills, including the ability to work in a team environment, communicate effectively with customers, and manage projects. Secondly, awareness of the many issues affecting any engineering project, including ethical, legal, and environmental issues, was needed. And finally, the ability to work with people from many different backgrounds and in many social settings was needed to be taught to our students. Now, the challenge was that these are notoriously difficult to teach or develop in a traditional engineering curriculum. So, there was a need to develop a new curricular structure that continued to provide technical depth, but also creates experiences for students that build on their additional capabilities, such as the professional skills that we mentioned in previous slide. Now, at the same time, the community service organizations were requiring that long-term, low-cost, customized technical assistance in order to solve or meet their community needs. And so EPICS jumped in out of its creation and realization that these mutual needs between the academic component of the students and community needs can be met through a unique opportunity, forming long-term partnerships between university and community. So the university-community partnership would provide two benefits here. Number one, an academic credit for engineering students via a long-term, large-scale, real-world design projects that benefit the community. And number two, for community, an access to the partners with low-cost technical expertise. So when we consider the impact of EPICS on our students, two themes have emerged as the key for success in the EPICS model. These themes are context and time. So looking at the first theme of context, because the EPICS projects are defined by needs identified by the community, the students know that if the project is done well, it will be in fact be put to use. So that real life connection is a motivation for students to work hard and commit themselves for the projects. And this adds to the very important dimension, in fact, making the students responsible, individually accountable, and committed to those projects. And as a result, students mature as individuals, as engineers, and as citizens, and in some cases, even global citizens. The second factor that has emerged as a success for EPICS model is time. So we have to realize that very few real-world projects fit cleanly into a 15-week semester or a 30-week academic year. And one of the most significant aspects of EPICS curriculum is that it enables project teams to bridge these artificial boundaries. And teams therefore have the time to deliver well-designed, well-tested projects to their partner, collect back the feedback from the community partner, and improve upon the design to deliver the next best result. So that iteration upon their project is possible because of allowance of this time. And EPICS is specializing in this factor by allowing this program to be vertically integrated model that gets the students from first year to the fourth year. So this is multidisciplinary, multi-year student program. So now these two features of EPICS, context and time, have enabled the students to develop technical depth and multidisciplinary breadth, experience start to finish design, acquire and hone many professional skills, and create products that have a significant impact on their community, and finally grow as individuals, engineers, and citizens. And if you want to hear the success of EPICS model in the own words of EPICS people and the students who have participated in this model, please click the next video link, and then we'll practice more of the active learning in how to, what factors to consider in making these community partnerships more in our class. Thank you for watching.